Hi everyone, welcome to the ninth session of Python Basic. In this session, we will learn about receiving input in Python as well as we'll learn about a type conversion. So receiving input is somewhat like we have a calculator. And the moment we press one, system will accept the number and the screen will show one. So how do we achieve this in Python? And this will also goes along with the the TV remote control and n number of places we use this functionality. Suppose if we say what is your name? In order to receive the input, we will use the input function. Okay, so it is now if I want to club with some other activity, suppose if I want to check what is my favorite food. After entering the food, I want to display it somewhat like Alai loves pizza or biryani or cake or whatever it's there, like sandwiches, whatever they like. Okay, so now I will execute this. I like biryani, suppose. So it shows that Eli loves biryani. Okay. Now this was a case of simple simple input. Now in case there will be scenarios where we need to play with the decimals, with the integers, with the floats. So I'll say that suppose my currently my account has 50,000 rupees. 50,000 and my current month salary, the amount credited is, I will ask how much, enter the salary credited, and the final balance in my will be account balance plus salary. Okay, and print final balance. Okay, if I execute this, what will happen? I'll say suppose 60,000 is credited to my account, my current month salary, and then we will get this error in this line of code. We are executing 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth line. Final balance is equal to account balance plus salary, because it is saying that unsupported operand type for plus integer, and we cannot add an integer. Account balance, the type of account balance, you just check the type of integer. Now check the type of final balance, salary. So this type of salary is string and the type of account balance is integer, and we cannot add this. So what we will do a type conversion. We will say here we'll convert it to int. If we execute this, okay, so now we are getting it correctly. So similarly, like int, there is float, there is boolean, there is, like, as per your criteria you can use them. So what we have, we have learned about the how to get the numbers. We have now always also learned about how to play with the type conversion. Now what we will do, we will take a temperature in Celsius and we'll convert into Fahrenheit. We'll say the temperature. Okay, now we know that the formula for Celsius to is C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. This is the formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion. Okay, so we already have the temperature in Celsius, we need to convert it into Fahrenheit. So it will be somewhat like F is equals to 9 into C by 5 plus 32. So this is what this F means, temperature in Fahrenheit. Temperature in Fahrenheit, which is equals to 9 into temperature in Celsius by 5 plus 32. So we will execute this, and then so we will execute this temperature in Celsius. Suppose we say 32 degrees, and again we have not, we have got this error, we have, because we have not converted this input. This Celsius, whatever temperature in Celsius we have got is temperature in Celsius. Okay, we'll see the type of this temperature, string. So what we'll do, we'll convert here itself, and now we will execute this 4 lines. We'll say 32 is 89. Now we already know that Celsius and Fahrenheit will be equal at minus 40 degree for both. So what we'll do, we'll again execute this, okay, and we'll enter the Celsius as minus 40. Fahrenheit is, okay, this is Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit will also be minus 40, and it is minus 40. Okay, so this is how we will. So for that homework or whatever, for hand-on practice, what you can do, you can take pounds, weight in pounds, and you can convert it into kgs, kilograms, grams. There are n number of things you can try it out. So this is how we will use this is how we will receive inputs in Python, and we will use type conversion. So thanks a lot for watching this session. If you feel this video is helpful, please press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.